Let's dive into the sample questions for SAP MM certification. These are a mix of practical scenarios and theoretical knowledge that align with the certification pattern. We'll break down question difficulty levels to help you strategize your preparation. Don't worry, I'll make this process as smooth as possible. No room for surprises. I'm Emma Grace, an IAM expert with 10+ years of hands-on experience designing and deploying identity solutions that scale. I specialize in helping organizations implement secure, user-friendly access controls that reduce risk, meet compliance, and support growth without adding complexity. SAP MM certification is your gateway to mastering material management concepts. It has global validity and opens doors to supply chain roles worldwide. We'll talk about the career perks and explore both online and classroom training options. Who says learning can't be flexible and fun? SAP MM module has some stellar features to explore. From handling procurement and inventory to integrating with other SAP modules, it's got you covered. With advanced reporting and real-time processing, this module feels like the superhero of enterprise management. Let's embrace its superpowers. Now comes the procurement process, an integral part of SAP MM. We'll cover vendor selection criteria, order requisition, and invoice verification. Automated workflows are also a highlight, making procurement a breeze. Trust me, you'll feel like an efficiency wizard by the end. Material management scenarios will keep us grounded in the practical. Whether it's managing shortages, optimizing inventory, or tracking movements, every detail matters. We'll even touch on valuation methods, because every penny counts, right? Stay sharp and resourceful. Inventory management is all about precision. We'll delve into stock transfers, cycle counting, and aging analysis. Physical inventory procedures tie it all together. Don't worry, we'll keep it practical. No one likes an inventory headache. Master data is the backbone of SAP MM. We'll discuss how to set up material and vendor masters, tackle data consistency challenges, and perform audits. Keeping data clean and organized may not sound glamorous, but it's crucial. Think of it as housekeeping with a tech twist. Configuration and customization add flair to SAP MM. We'll talk about personalizing settings, tweaking features, and customizing reports. Adapting workflows to meet user needs is the cherry on top. It's like tailoring a suit for your SAP system. Vendor evaluation is a game changer. We'll focus on performance assessment, scorecard use, and creating templates. Compliance standards will also take the spotlight. Remember, a well-evaluated vendor is worth their weight in gold, or maybe just great supply chain efficiency. Invoice verification is like detective work with numbers. We identify discrepancies, follow a clear process, and solve errors along the way. These steps ensure smooth financial operations. Remember, it's not just about paperwork. It's about accuracy and trust in the system. Think of integration as teamwork. Various modules must collaborate smoothly to maximize efficiency and minimize errors. We'll discuss the key ones, their benefits, and the obstacles to watch out for. Integration isn't just a technical process. It's an ecosystem of harmony. Troubleshooting is an art, a mix of patience and problem-solving skills. We'll cover common hiccups and how to resolve them step by step. Prevention is always better than cure, but knowing when to escalate saves everyone time and effort. System monitoring is like giving your software a health checkup. We'll talk about its importance, the tools available, and what metrics to monitor. Keeping your system in top shape ensures happy users and smooth operations. Reporting is where data meets action. We'll cover the must-have reports and how analytics fuel smart decisions. Automating reporting can save hours of manual effort, but don't forget, accurate data is king. Practical use cases connect theory to reality. We'll explore examples, share best practices, and even laugh at some lessons learned. Applying what you know makes all the difference when solving real-world problems. FAQs are like the lifelines in a quiz show. They save the day when you're stuck. We'll go through the most asked questions, tackle tricky topics, and share resources to keep learning. Staying updated is the secret sauce. Exam prep needs strategy, like a well-planned mission. We'll discuss study techniques, managing your time, and key resources. On the big day, confidence and calmness are your secret weapons. You've got this. Thank you for being such a wonderful audience. We've covered a lot, but the key takeaway is to keep learning and applying what you've learned. Remember, every small step counts. I truly appreciate your time. Now go conquer your goals. Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel.